Welcome to Tech Support Tuesday, and on today's show you're going to learn how to enable Remote Desktop Protocol, or RDP, on Windows Server. To go ahead and get started, we will go ahead and open up Explorer, right-click on this PC, and go to Properties. Now here there is an option for Remote Settings, and you want to go ahead and select the radial here for allowing remote desktop connections to this computer. Now the default is to allow connections only that are running on the same remote desktop with network level authentication, or NLA, and that is recommended. However, if this is in a home lab environment, it is easier to go ahead and just disable this so that you can connect from an older client machine. If you want it to be more secure, then make sure that network level authentication is enabled, and then try connecting to it from another machine. Anyways, we will just go ahead and hit OK, and it is now enabled so that you should be able to connect via remote desktop to this machine. Now before you connect using remote desktop to this machine, you're going to need to either know the host name of the computer or the IP address to connect to. So let me show you how to get that next. Click on the Start button and type in CMD. And here if you just type in hostname, all one word, like that. Now provided that it shows up in your network's DNS servers, then you should be fine. But if not, you can go ahead and get the IP address by doing this. Just type in ipconfig and hit enter, and then look for the IP address of your machine here. Now using remote desktop from your local system over to this server, you should be able to connect with the local username and password that you have on that server already, or using domain credentials that you would have already had set up previously. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.